At the Meadow Lake Park, we just finished converting, actually rebuilding, the old, I call it Shithouse, in Hidden Hollow to a more permanent and a much nicer outhouse. Here are some of the pictures and videos that were taken during the construction. Take a peek. So the MLPAA Shithouse project is in full progress. Our expert carpenters are busy at work, cutting the lumber to size to take the old outhouse out of service and replace it with something a little more permanent. Come back and see us in a week. Wait till we finished. Maybe sooner, maybe later. Some people work, some people discuss, and some people just take pictures. One person working, two people resting.
Maybe it's water and maybe it's not.
And this guy over here was taking the pictures.